chase them, are you? Oh. What is it? I thought you guys would chase them. It's whatever they've left for corn. You're very brave, you two. Because, what is it? They've just noticed those two. They're not going to hurt you. They might come close. Steve. Steve. Don't do that. Don't scare them. He's saying this is mine, not yours. Well, that's the day in the life of a chicken. He did that to the jackdaws the other day. You'd be nice. I guess he's protecting his flock. They're not a threat, darling. Oh. Oh, girls. So we've got Chrissy, Gertrude, Olive, Steve, and Ash. They're very close, aren't they?